Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a work permit with a support letter. First, understand that a strong support letter is often the cornerstone of a successful application. You'll need to gather all necessary documents, including your passport, educational certificates, and any previous immigration records. Make sure your employer drafts a comprehensive support letter detailing your job role, salary, and the necessity of your employment. This initial preparation is key to a smooth process. A well-crafted support letter significantly strengthens your work permit application. It should clearly outline your job title, specific duties, and the proposed salary. The letter must also specify the duration of your employment. Crucially, it needs to explain why you are uniquely qualified for the role and why your employment is vital to the company's operations. This demonstrates to immigration authorities the genuine need for your skills. Once your support letter is ready and all documents are compiled, you can proceed with the application submission. Carefully complete the official work permit application form, ensuring all information matches your supporting documents. Attach your support letter, passport copies, and any other required evidence. Remember to pay the necessary application fees, which can range from $200 to $500, depending on the country and permit type. Double-check everything before submission. After submitting your application, patience is key. Processing times can vary significantly, often taking several weeks to a few months, depending on the volume of applications and the specific immigration office. Be prepared to respond quickly if authorities request additional information or clarification. This can help avoid delays. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Good luck with your application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.